Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm making a very large granny square tote bag. So you can make this any size. You simply make one large granny square for the front and one large granny square for the back. And then you're going to sew them together down three sides. And then you can either add bag handles or a drawstring cord. So let's get started. Working with a 5.5 millimeter hook and worsted weight yarn. Start with a slip knot. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2. Work 2 more double crochet. Yarn around the hook, insert into the loop, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2 loops. I'm going to make 1 more double crochet. And that's my first 3 double crochet cluster. Chain 1. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Those are my 4 chain 1 spaces, and they're my 4 corners. Turn the work. Slip stitch in that chain 1 space. Now this is a corner, so I'm going to make 2 3 double crochet clusters in each corner stitch. So chain 2 counts as a double crochet, 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, and make 3 more in that same space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Go to the next chain 1 space in the corner and make 2 3 double crochet clusters the same as this in each corner. So 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1 and 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so those are my corners. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make another 2 3 double crochet clusters in this chain 1 space, and I'm going to make another one in this chain 1 space, and then I'll come back and show you what to do at the end of the row. Okay, I went ahead and I worked a corner in each one of those corners. There's my last group of 2 double crochet clusters with the chain 1 in between, and now I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to slip stitch to join in the top of that chain 2. Turn the work, slip stitch in that same chain 1 space, chain 2, make 2 double crochet in that same space, 1 and 2. And now I'm going to work over here in this corner space. So I'm going to chain 1 and I'm going to make 2 3 double crochet clusters in that corner stitch. Chain 1. Okay, so 2 3 double crochet clusters in the corner. Now I'm going to go to the next chain 1 space. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to go directly into this chain 1 space and work 3 double crochet. 2 and 3. The next chain 1 space is in a corner, so I'm going to chain 1, go into that corner, and make 2 3 double crochet clusters. So 1, 2, and 3, chain 1, and 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so each corner will always have 2 3 double crochet clusters, and all the other chain 1 spaces will have 3 double crochet. So chain 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So my next chain 1 space is in a corner, so I will make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1 in between, then go to the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet, chain 1, go to the next, make a corner. So the next row would have a corner here, and then here it'll have 3 double crochet, and here it'll have 3 double crochet, and here it'll have a corner. And there are all the corners lined up, and in between you work a 3 double crochet cluster in every chain 1 space. And when you have your 2 granny squares joined down 3 sides, you can either pass a drawstring through the top, and then when you pull on this drawstring to carry it, it will close up the top of your bag and keep everything secure. Or you can attach bag handles like this, and you would just attach these through the top. Either pass this top over and sew it on, or just sew it right through like this and catch the top row of the stitches.